I gotta clean this up before my wife gets home.
What was I not supposed to know about?
Nothing. Okay, if you haven't been living under a rock for the last few weeks, you might have heard some news from one of our good friends, Captain Flamethrower. Alex Vanover was overcharging batteries at the Open Grove Raceway to keep up with his competition. Now, we all do overcharging a little bit once in a while, just taking it up a little bit to 0.35 or maybe even 0.4. Captain Vanover was taking it to 0.7. That's too far, like way too far. And I don't think I've ever really heard that many people actually doing something like that, but I wanted to give a quick demonstration of what happens when you overcharge your batteries. Now, I'm also going to put this into another example and show what happens if you don't balance charge and you actually charge your battery voltage from one cell to another. I'm going to take a 5-cell battery that I just damaged and doing a little testing of one of my quads and plug it in, charge it to 6-cell voltage, and show you the massive fireworks display that happens when you do this. Now, needless to say, kids, please don't try this at home. I'm going to do this in as controlled of an environment as I can, and it's for educational purposes and a little bit of fireballs. So let's go overcharge a battery and see what happens. So I've just made this quick extension so that I can keep the flames away from my ISDT, and I'm going to take my ISDT, which is missing. Where'd it go? Oh, we'll use this one. I'm going to take my ISDT D2, which I just made a video about the other day, and plug it in and run it to a high voltage charge. Oh, there's the one I was looking for. Oh well. This is a Pulse 1350 5-cell racing battery. I just had a bit of a crash with it. You can see that it's exposed and dangerous, and it needs to be disposed of anyway, so we're just going to use this as a quick example. So to charge this, you're going to do charge. I'm going to do LIHV. I'm going to put it all the way to 4.4 volts, because why not? It's going to be a 6-cell charge. Remember that this is a 5-cell battery. We're going to just go all the way to the top end here, and then when we hit go, we say perform task without balancer LIHV. So basically when I say yes, I'm acknowledging that yes, this is a 6-cell battery, but it's really a 5-cell battery. So I'm going to stop that for now, grab a different lens so that I don't have my camera right up next to the explosives, and we'll go for it. This is my safety shovel if I need to throw anything around. Nice thing about having this camera here is I can look and see that we're pushing 9 amps into it currently and have a voltage of 22 point something. So we're already overcharged by a volt. So this is rolling right now, so I'm not going to stay too long, but battery with the lead protected by a couple of bricks, hopefully. Chargers over there, got a mic, another camera recording the charger, and then that camera is back there with the safety shovel ready to scoop things out of the way if need be. I think the worst part about this for me is the suspense. Like, I'm just waiting here for this battery to just kind of explode. It's still pushing out 8 amps. And it's still freaking me out. So it's definitely starting. I can hear a hissing sound and I see an occasional puff of smoke. Let's step back. Here it goes. Like, you can see that there's even like red in there. That is not good. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna clean this up before the wife gets home. Lessons learned: don't overcharge your batteries dramatically, and when you charge, parallel charge, so you don't make a mistake of charging a 5-cell battery to 6-cell voltage, or your house may be sad. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this explosion. Stay flying.